how to fix Instagram invite send problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram invite send problem when your invitation or invite message is not sending or not working properly. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1, that is to check your internet connection. So, first, make sure that your phone has a stable internet connection, or you can try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is resolved. Because many invite problems happen due to slow and unstable internet. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to update Instagram app. So, here, what you can do is simply open the Google Play Store or App Store, and here you can simply search for the Instagram app. And here, with that, you have to make sure that your app is up to date because using an outdated version of app can cause invitation or message problems. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear cache or reinstall. So here simply long press on the Instagram app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu simply tap on app info. And now here, once you're inside the app settings, there you simply have to tap on clear data, and now here from the pop-up menu just tap on clear cache and confirm it. And this will refresh the app, which will often fix the invitation problem as well. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to check recipient username or contact. So here, while inviting someone, make sure that the recipient username or phone number is correct. If the user has changed their account or privacy settings, the invitation may not be delivered as well. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to wait or try again later. So here, in some cases or sometimes, Instagram servers may be busy, which can cause the invitation to fail. So there, you just have to wait for a few minutes or try sending invite at a later time. And with that, if none of these steps work, it might be a temporary server issue. So if you see that, you can also contact Instagram support directly through the app. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.